Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is lecture number 12 and the chapter is, as you already know, that it is fundamentals of operating system, and we had discussed the two main topics of this chapter: the functions of operating system, interface of operating system, and types of operating system. ये हमने अपने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में भी डिस्कस किया है और रियल टाइम में भी। आई होप कि आपको बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया होगा और आपको समझ आ गया होगा। फिर भी इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क मी। ठीक है, किसी वक्त भी आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं, किसी वक्त भी आप अभी भी लेक्चर में मुझसे ड्यूरेशन में पूछ सकते हैं अगर कोई चीज़ क्लियर नहीं है तो। टू स्टूडेंट्स न्यू हेयर इन द सेंस दैट दे आर ज्वाइनिंग फर्स्ट टाइम हियर इन द क्लास, Rafe and Romessa. I want a feedback from you people today. In the chat box, when I ask the question, I want answers from you. Right? This is lecture number 12, Fundamentals of Operating System, the chapter name. And today we will discuss the requirements of hardware for Windows installation. We will discuss about the installation of Windows in your computers. Right? Requirement of installation means what you um, Okay, Rafi, it's not your first class, but I guess it's uh, around second or third class, maybe. Okay. Uh, the requirement of hardware means which devices you need in your computer for the installation of Windows. Windows installation for installation of Windows 10 system requirement. System means your computer requires 1 gigahertz processor, 1 GB रैम फॉर 32 बिट वर्जन। 32 बिट वर्जन में आप लोगों को पहले भी एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ ये चीज़ कि बिट क्या है, द रेट ऑफ डेटा ट्रांसफर, राइट, द रेट एट विच द डेटा इज ट्रांसफर्ड, बिट, राइट। 32 bits means 32 bits data transfer at a time. 2 GB, 2 GB RAM for 64-bit version, 16 GB available storage. This is storage. This is about the RAM and this is storage. 16 GB should be available in for 32-bit version and 20 GB available storage for 64-bit version. Graphic cards, audio sound cards, resolution, display with at least 800 by 600 pixels resolution. This is the calculation of pixels, right? This calculation must be there in your monitor for the display, right? So what is the system requirement? Like system requirement, your system must have 1 gigahertz processor, 1 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM for 32 and 64-bit, 16 GB for 32-bit storage, and 20 GB storage for 64-bit version. Now we'll start that how the processing is done. Make sure your Windows 10 installation media is connected. In order for you to install Windows 10, your Windows 10 installation file must be loaded onto a disk or flash drive. Like it should be, it could be on CD drive or USB, right? Flash drive, and the disk or flash drive must be inserted into your computer. When you start the installation, you must insert a CD of Windows 10 for the installation. This is how you insert the CD. Open the Start menu. Click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is the Start menu, right? Start menu, when you click it, there is a pull-up menu appears here, right? Click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. I am showing you the pictures of the screen so you can understand it very clearly, right? Click the power icon. You can see the power icon here. This is the circle with a line through its top that is in the bottom left corner of the start window. Start window जब हम click करेंगे, there is a pull up menu and you go to the power button and click the power button. Don't click shutdown, don't click sleep. You have to click on restart, right? It's on the pop-up menu above the power icon. Doing so will restart your computer. You have to restart your computer. You don't need to shut down your computer. You don't need to sleep your computer. Click on sleep button. You have to restart your computer. Now the first step to insert the CD. The second step you have to click the power button. Then start menu. First step is start menu, then power button, and then restart your computer. Press and hold del key. There is a del key on your keyboards. You can see right now. Press and hold del or F2 to enter setup. सेटअप में जाने के लिए, इंस्टॉल करने के लिए हमें बायोस में जाना होगा. बायोस में जाने के लिए हमें सेटअप पे जाना पड़ता है, एंड सेटअप इज बाय होल्डिंग द डेल की और F2 function key. This key may also be a different key. Most computers will display a message on a startup that says press key to enter setup or something similar. It gives you the variety in different computers, that some computers shows us this message, press key to enter setup. Some computers have del key to start the setup. Some computers have F2 to start the setup. Now the main purpose is to go to the startup, right? So look for this message when your computer restart. To confirm the key, you should press to access the BIOS. BIOS, I explained it in the class, in the real-time class. What is BIOS? Basic Input Output System, right? You have to go to the BIOS, that is Basic Input Output System. Consult your computer's manual or online support page to confirm your computer's BIOS key. Means your computer manual can show that how will you enter in your BIOS setup, right? You have to go to the BIOS setup, basic input output system. See, you can see here the del key on the keyboard, or here on the function keys you can press F2 key as well, right? Now navigate to the boot tab. ये boot tab है, ये आपका जब आप setup पे जाते हैं तो आपके पास ये screen आएगी. You will use the arrow key to select it. You have to go to the boot setup, right? The boot tab means it's a boot option depending on your computer's manufacturers. You have to go to this option, this tab. Don't go to the main app option. Don't go to the advanced option. You have to go to the boot, like you have to boot the computer first. Select a device from which to boot. किस device से boot करना है computer? You have a couple of options here. For a USB flash drive, select the removable device option. For a disk installation, select the CD-ROM drive option. Like as we discussed before, that you can install your Windows by USB, by flash drive, as well as from the disk. So you have to choose the option that from where you want to boot your computer, from where you want to install your Windows, right? The screen be like this. Fixed boot order priorities. Boot option number 1, CD या DVD से. Boot option number 2, USB CD DVD. Number 3, hard disk. Number 4, USB hard disk, right? There is a USB hard disk also. Number 5, network, through network. These are the option from which you can select the option. If you are if you are installing from USB, you can go to the USB option, option number 2. If you are going to install from CD, you are going to the option number 1, that is CD or DVD, right? Select a device from which to boot. You have two couple of options here. For a USB flash drive, I told you that select the removable device option, and for disk installation, select the CD-ROM drive option. You can see the picture here, that how it looks when you go to the boot option. Press the plus key until your boot option is first. Once either removable devices or CD-ROM drive is at the top of the list, your computer will select your choices as its default option. यहाँ से आपको अपनी डिवाइस मिलेगी जहाँ से आपको वो कंप्यूटर बूट करना है और वहाँ से अपनी इंस्टॉलेशन स्टार्ट करनी है. बिफोर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड आई विल गो टू द फर्स्ट स्लाइड एंड देन रिपीट इट अगेन फॉर यू. These are the system requirements. What your system needed first before installation. I told you 1 gigahertz processor is must. Less than that, not available for Windows, right? 1 gigabyte RAM, 2 gigabyte RAM for 64-bit, 16 gigabyte storage. These are the, this is, I'm telling you again, this is RAM. This is about the RAM and this is the storage. The storage should be 16 GB for 32-bit version and 20 GB for 64-bit version. Graphic card, sound cards, display resolution of a monitor should be 800 into 600. Start menu, write it one by one, right? Write in your notebook one by one. Go to the start menu. There must be a pull-up menu appear. Go to the power button, right? After power button, you have to select restart. After restart, you have to press Del key or F2 key, depend on your computer, right? Del key or F2 key from function keys depends on your computer. Go to the boot option. The boot option will give you the choice. What type of choice? That how you are going to install the Windows. You can select a device from which you boot, a USB flash drive or a disk installation. You have to select from these options, fixed boot order priorities. Now go to the plus menu to select the device. F10. Okay, till now, everything is clear? Want a feedback? Hurry up. Okay, three feedbacks more. Okay, 4. And the boys, where are the boys? Okay. Now moving forward, Alishba, you are late. Okay, we have done till now. We should. Now save your settings. Which setting, that which device are you used for installing the Windows. Save your settings. You should see a key prompt that is F10 at the bottom of the screen that says to save and exit. Pressing it should save your settings and restart your computer. Again, restarting your computer, right? Wait for your computer to restart. Once your computer finishes restarting, you will see a window here with your geographical data. You are now ready to begin setting up your Windows 10 installation. After this, after selecting the device, after selecting, choosing the option of the device, that which device is used to install the Windows, now the Windows is going to be installed after restart the computer. And why it is restarting? Because it is saving your previous information if you are upgrading the Windows. Click next when prompted. You can also change the option on this page. Example, the setup language. See, you can see here before continuing if need be. Language, time and currency format, एंड कीबोर्ड इनपुट और इनपुट मेथड. इनपुट मेथड क्या होगा वो आपको यहाँ पर डिफाइन करना है. लैंग्वेज कौन सी आप सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं और देन यू विल प्रेस नेक्स्ट, राइट. This is the screen how it looks in on your desktop. You can see the screen when the Windows is going to be start installing, right? This is the Windows setup. This is a Windows setup. Naval, after installation, all previous data will be saved. There are two options for installation. One is upgrade. When you upgrade, your installation, it doesn't lose your information, the previous information, right? If you select the other installation, that is from the starting from the beginning, it will erase the data and format the disk. Completely format the disk means the previous data should be deleted, right? Clear, Naval? Okay. So the Windows setup has been started. Now Windows, you have to choose the language and keyboard input method. Then this is the must procedure. Enter your Windows 10 key. Key. What is the key? This is the key. This is actually the key number, the product number, right? If you don't have a window 10 key, instead click skip in the bottom right. But I have seen that if you are not going to enter the product key, it will not move forward. Yeah, right? Because this is the license if you are installing a licensed program, must know about the licensed and unlicensed program. If you are installing a licensed program, there must be a प्रोडक्ट की, कोई ना कोई प्रोडक्ट की ज़रूर होगी जो आप यहाँ पर एंटर करेंगे और उसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट पर जाएंगे. प्रोडक्ट की अगर आपने एंटर नहीं की तो ये बैक पर तो जाएगा, आगे मूव नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. और ये प्रोडक्ट की क्यों होती है? क्योंकि सॉफ्टवेयर पायरेसी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, कॉपी पेस्टिंग, डिफरेंट लोग एक यूज़र ने परचेज किया है, उसको 10 यूज़र इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से प्रोडक्ट की मैन्युफैक्चरर्स देते हैं कि जो उस सॉफ्टवेयर को परचेज करे उसके पास वो प्रोडक्ट की हो और फिर वो ही इंस्टॉल कर सके इसे. ठीक है. देन गोज टू द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन. There is an it is a license terms, like these are the some of the rules and regulations which you have to accept, right? And you have to click on this, I accept the license term. You have to accept the license term and then click on next. Upgrade. There are two options I told you. Upgrade. Install Windows and keep files. This was your question, Nawal. Install Windows and keep files, settings and applications, like it keeps your files, all your settings and all your applications. It will not be deleted, right? And the second option is custom. It is not displayed here properly. Second option is custom, right? Now the second option is the files, settings and applications are not moved to Windows with this option. If you want to make changes to partitions and drives, start the computer using the installation disk. When you use custom, जब आप custom use करते हैं तो आपका previous data delete हो जाता है, drive पूरी format होती है. ठीक है. और जब ड्राइव फॉर्मेट होती है तो उसमें फिर पार्टीशंस बनते हैं नए सिरे से, पार्टीशन बनाकर फिर वहां इंस्टॉलेशन होती है. इसका मतलब है कस्टम अगर आप करेंगे दो ऑप्शंस होते हैं. विच टाइप ऑफ इंस्टॉलेशन डू यू वांट? देयर इज एन अपग्रेड ऑप्शन एंड देयर इज अ कस्टम ऑप्शन. कस्टम ऑप्शन में प्रीवियस डाटा पूरा डिलीट होगा. ये उस कंडीशन में होता है जब आपके कंप्यूटर पे कोई वायरस आ जाए, करप्ट हो जाए, तो इस कंडीशन में फिर आप कस्टम करते हैं, ड्राइव को पूरा फॉर्मेट करते हैं. ठीक है. फॉर्मेट करने के बाद उसमें फिर पार्टीशंस बनते हैं और फिर इंस्टॉलेशन होती है. लेकिन अपग्रेड और उससे पहले हमें अपना बैकअप लेना पड़ता है. ठीक है. उससे पहले हमें अपना बैकअप लेना पड़ता है सारा. वो बैकअप लेकर फिर हम कस्टम इंस्टॉलेशन करते हैं, उससे पहले नहीं करते, राइट? और अपग्रेड जब हम इंस्टॉलेशन करते हैं तो हमारे फाइल्स, एप्लीकेशन, सारी चीज़ें सेव रहती हैं, पार्टीशंस नहीं बनते ड्राइव में. ठीक है. This option is only available when a supported version of Windows is already running on the computer. You can see the line here. This option is only available when a supported version, like if you want to update the version of the Windows, you can go to the upgrade option. And if you don't have Windows on your computer, you will go to the custom option, right? Am I clear? Click upgrade. It's at the top of the which type of installation do you want window. This option installs Windows 10 while preserving your file. Preserving means keeping your files absent setting. It will be keep in your computer. You can click custom instead to clean install Windows 10 on your computer. Clean install Windows means a new start of the computer. Select a partition to format before continuing. Now, installing Windows status, copying Windows file, getting files, the click appears as the option is done. Copying Windows files, getting files ready for installation, installing features, installing updates, finishing up. A tick appears when the work is done. Wait for Windows 10 to install. This process may take anywhere from half an hour to several hours depending on the computer previous operating system and as well as processing speed. The processing speed will determine that how the time is taken for the installation. It prompted to press a key in order to boot from a CD. Do not press a key. Follow the on-screen setup instruction. There are some instructions given on the screen and you have to just click on next, and then all the functions are performed automatically. Once Windows 10 has been installed on your computer, you will be able to customize its setting. जब एक बार इंस्टॉल हो जाएगी आपके पास तो फिर आप उसमें सारी चीज़ें सेटिंग्स में जाकर या कंट्रोल पैनल में जाकर आप सारी चीज़ें चेंज कर सकते हैं अपने अकॉर्डिंगली. योर रीजन या योर लोकेशन, right? Your preferable language, location setting. Once you finish this process, you will be taken on your computer's desktop, right? You can also click Express setting to set up Windows 10 with the recommended settings. There are certain settings given by the manufacturers. You can choose these settings now, or you can update it according to your convenience. I think I am clear enough to you all. If you have any question, you can ask me. Shall I repeat it again from the first slide? Requirement of hardwares. Now, Mishal. Mishal, tell me what is the hardware requirement of 32-bit version? The RAM requirement for 32-bit version. What is the RAM? Good. Ramesa, what is the RAM requirement? What is the RAM requirement for 64-bit version? See here, Abhiha, it's 2 GB RAM for 64-bit version, not 20. 20 GB storage. If you are talking about storage, it's correct. But if you are talking about RAM, it's 2 GB, right? Good. Okay. Who else is here? Ahmad. Ahmad Razanjum. Ahmad, tell me the first and second step to start the installation. Yes, Ahmad, first step. Rafe, first and second step. Yes, Rafe. Good, Mishal. And Ahmad, yes, it is the first step, then second. Rafi, from your side also. First, second, and third step. First step is not to click the power button. First step is to go to the start menu. Right? Start menu, power, and then restart. Right? Now, after restart, what will we do? Rafe, after restart, how how will you approach the BIOS? All of you, answer me privately. All of you. Good, Nawal. Good, good, Mishal. And where is Abiha? Good, Tokir. Okay. How will you choose the drive option? From which menu you are going to choose the drive option of installation, like USB or CD? I'm asking from everybody. There are 8 participants here, and everybody should answer. Okay, Minal, good, and right, Rafe, ठीक है, okay. So good feedback. Understand? Any question? Is it clear? Okay, beta. Take care. Inshallah, we'll repeat the lecture in the class as well, in the real-time class as well. And till now, take care. And your work must be completed, right? Your work must be completed till today. Okay? Homework has been posted in the classroom already. You can see there are only 2 questions. It must be completed till tomorrow. Okay, thank you, beta. Allah Hafiz.